So this kind of elementary function which is supported by MATLAB, let's say square root, exponential, log, and log tens, etc. Okay. Okay, so relational operator which is also let's say supported by MATLAB. So this kind of character we can use it. Less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and etc. So function file. Okay, so different function we can create in MATLAB. So okay, why basically we create the functions? Okay, so some operation we have to perform repeatedly. Okay, repeatedly when we perform the operation, let's say I want to check the, let's say you have the class which is have the strength 60 student batch. Okay, so when you go for the exam and when to calculate your, let's say your result. Okay, let's say you have the exam and thereafter we calculate the result. So for that particular, each and every time we will not go and individually just create the let's say marks, just calculate the percentage of that particular student. So for that we can use the function. So using function, over a click you can just insert the values. Okay, and over a click we can get the results out of it. Okay, so few things, let's say I want to show you. So MATLAB and Simulink training. Okay, so this kind of courses, so I will recommend you to go with the MATLAB on ramp. Okay, so one thing which is remain, that is documentation part, how to refer the document. Okay, and later we will see the MATLAB on ramp. So let's see. So here in help section you can see the documentation. From here, all simply you can just put here doc command. Okay, so in every, let's say, function that is in MATLAB, you can refer it with this document.